Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Hey, listen, this is going to be a very great, insane video here. I'm going to teach you how to make money right now on Coinbase in 2021. Now listen, I didn't want to do this video at first, but there's so many videos right now on the internet that's talking about crypto and they don't know what the hell they're talking about and they're misinforming you. And what I wanted to do is give you a very, very easy way to make money with Coinbase that anybody can do. Listen, crypto right now is hot. If you don't have some, you need to get it. I'm gonna show you how to get it. I'm gonna show you how to get it quickly, and I'm gonna show you how to basically make money with it by putting a small amount in with Coinbase here, okay? So listen, what I'm gonna do, which no one does, I'm gonna log into my account, okay? I'm gonna hit the sign in button right here. And guys, please smash the like button here, because I'm gonna be very transparent here. Listen, if you watch every thing that you see in this video right now, you're gonna understand something about the crypto space here in a very simplistic way on how you can go from zero, $100, $500. Many people are making like $100 to $500 per day using these methods here. So let me log in here. Here we go. And I want to be transparent here so you can see that I'm actually logging into my account. And there we go. We do the verification here. And listen, to get a Coinbase account is free. You can do it right now. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. Here we go. I said okay. So look, this is my portfolio right now. As you can see, we have about, how much money is in here right now? It's loading pretty slow right now. Let me move my big head over here for a second. Give me a second here. So as they're low, I want you to really pay close attention here, because many people that's on the YouTube right now, they're not sharing this information and they're making you very fearful to getting started. Some people don't understand the cryptocurrency. And listen, it's very easy to do if you just take simple steps right here to get started and watch everything that you see in this video, okay? So look, I'm at $32,000, okay? But listen, the fascinating thing is that a lot of people are asking, okay, Wesley, which coin should I put my money right now? And how can I make money like with $100 or $50? Listen, even if you have $20, I have a friend right now. He started with $20. His portfolio right now is about $50,000. It's because he's been doing something very simple, and I'm gonna show you right here. And you can start doing it today. So as you can see here, I have $32,000 worth of crypto here. And let me show you some of the coins that you want to invest in as well. I do recommend this. And listen, I'm not an expert. I am not a crypto guru, but I understand something about getting in first, okay? And you don't want to be the last person to the party. Like me, honestly, okay, yes, I make millions of dollars, but the reason why is because I always get to the party first. If you invested in crypto and Bitcoin like a year ago, wow, that'll be probably almost $3 million, right? But listen, let me share this with you. It is not too late to get in, okay? Even if you got $100, let me show you what to do with that. I'm gonna show you how to buy it. Coinbase is probably the most secure platform right now as it relates to buying crypto. Coinbase is secure. You can set it up. You're gonna have no issues. No one's stealing your money as well. And actually, they just went public as well. Okay. You know the funny thing about Coinbase? Guess who invented it? So you remember these guys from Facebook, the Winklevoss brothers, right? They're the people that created the whole social networking deal that Mark Zuckerberg stole the idea. Well, they're the owners of this multi-billion-dollar company right now. So listen, you're in good hands here. So let me show you my portfolio. You want to copy this down. Please copy what you see here. This is what I am doing right now. Ethereum, I'm up $18,000. I bought at 1,000. As you can see, it's 4,000. Listen, it is not too late. And no, you don't have to have $4,000 to invest. Some of you, when you look at the price of Bitcoin, you say, well, Wesley, it's at 55,000, 3,000. I can't afford that. It doesn't matter. You can put $100 in, okay, and let it sit. I have a friend right now. That's what he did. Like a year ago, he put $100 in, and now his portfolio is at $5,500 here. Listen, Crypto, in my opinion, is going to be the wave of the future. Elon Musk is on board. So many, Mark Cuban is on board. This is going to be a currency that we will use. Bitcoin for sure. And I truly believe that Ethereum as well. So listen, please get you $50 of Bitcoin, $50 of Ethereum as well. And let me show you my whole portfolio. Let me give you a tip here that no one's showing you here. That may be another a hot ticket that you want to get involved with right now. Listen, look at this. You see Cardano here? Get it. I have 2,000 where I just got 10,000 more dollars. I'm buying it right now. Do your research. But I truly believe that Cardano is going to be huge here. Okay, based off some of the news articles out there, some of the research on here right now. So go ahead and get you some of this like right now. Even if you spend $100, it's only $1, right? It's like $1.50 right now. So just get it. Get it now. Look at Dogecoin right now. Thank God I bought in pretty early. So my portfolio up is about $10,000 and I only put about $1,000 in Dogecoin, okay? Now, what you've been waiting for, Wesley, okay, how do I make some money? Like, how do I make some money with Coinbase? Check it out. Let me show you what you got to do. Okay, so if you go to Earn Rewards, they're basically going to pay you $10 that you can reinvest to set up recurring buying. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to do it right now. Listen, this is so important. I want you to really pay attention to this. This is how wealth is built. It's not about home runs. A lot of you crazy people are waiting on a home run. Don't do that. You like gambling your money with this stuff. Understand, cryptocurrency is very speculative. We don't know what's really going to happen, right, with it. It's been driven by people that are buying. But what you can do to be smart, be comfortable with the amount of money you are willing to win and to lose. It's important to understand that. But listen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it up right now. So I'm going to commit to $50 every single week that they're going to basically send me, or they're going to transfer Bitcoin to my wallet. See, I'm buying right now. See how easy that was? So now I got $10 to reinvest. Listen, $10 may not seem a lot of money, but my friend that did it a year ago, his $10 or his $50 that he began with Bitcoin is worth over 5,000 plus. So imagine if you put some money in right now, set it up, get that free $10 right here, and start making money. Okay, that's what wealthy people do. Don't wait for the home run. You know, that's what poor people do. They're waiting on the big shot, or they're gambling and they're hoping that they win the lottery. You can't have that mentality when you're trying to make money with any platform, not just crypto, anything else. But as you can see here, they have other rewards that you can get involved with. And the great thing about this, listen, you can take your link right here and you can refer it. And when your friend, the person that you refer, put their first $100, you're going to get $10 and I would get $10. Does that make sense? And it's just another way to make passive income. Listen, that's the name of the game. But listen, keep watching, because I'm going to show you another site where when you buy even $50 worth of crypto, you're going to gain interest every single day. It's insane here. So listen, all you do is copy your link and you can do a video just like this. One thing that's great about the crypto space right now, it's not a lot of videos about crypto on YouTube. You could do a video like this. I'm going to give you my secret sauce, so don't tell nobody, but smash the like button. Listen, you can record a video just like this. You can take my title from this video, upload it to YouTube. I promise you will get views. Because right now, if you do your research, even the word Coinbase, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is very low competition right now. Listen, get in first. Don't lose out. Okay, you can make money with Coinbase at the same time making money with YouTube, basically creating content that is wide open right now. Imagine if you just did it today. You took $50, you put it into a crypto, you get some Bitcoin, get some Ethereum, get some Cardano, right? Get those three, all right? Some ADA, then record a video, right? Just like this, just sharing what you have done. Tell people that you're not an expert, because I'm not an expert. I'm just giving you my philosophy here. Look, I only have about $32,000 in here in my portfolio, right? $32,000, not a lot of money. But listen, you do a video, upload it to YouTube, right? And you basically put Coinbase in the subject line, put Coinbase in the tag, and you'll make money with the video. I'm telling you, so many people are doing this right now. Now, what you've been waiting for is another site here. Go to BlockFi.com. This is another site that you will get interest based off the money that you invest. Listen, you gotta diversify, and it doesn't matter how much money that you put in. You can take $100, $200, $1,000, put it there, leave it. That's what I did, and that's why my account on the other platform is up $35,000. I've already sold and bought several times, right? Because I'm not trying to get rich off the crypto. I'm trying to create wealth such as passive income. Say it with me. You must create passive income. That's how people get rich, okay? I mean, get to the point that you make like $100 a week, then $100 a day, and so on. So let me show you this platform here before I let you go. Hit continue here. Look, it's so simple here. Look, I'm logged into my account. I'm gonna be very transparent. Smash the like button since I'm being very transparent with you, because it is no video online right now that somebody's actually logging into their account. They're showing you a screenshot, but you don't know if it's their account or yours. So you can see here I have $23,000 in here, and I have $35 of accrued interest. Total paid out has been $90. And guess what? I did that in 30 days. But the great thing about it, it's just happening over pilot. So on autopilot, like imagine what's going to take place in 1 year with this money if I leave it. I'm telling you folks, that's how wealth is built. That's how passive income is built. And this is how you make money on Coinbase in 2021. Listen, if you would like me to help you make money online, okay, in the description below, click the link. I can show anybody, a third grader, fourth grader, a teenager, within 45 days, I can show you how to make $10,000 easily on the internet. And I just keep it real. I'm not going to BS you. I'm going to tell you what to do. It's up to you to do it, as long as you apply yourself and take massive action. It's all up to you. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Later, folks. Hey, smash that like button, baby. Later.